Hello everyone, my name is Jade Sipis and today we are going to configure RAID. Now this is my OS B7 for the subject OS. First is the RAID 0. Right click lang natin yung disk and then new stripe volume. Next one is select the disk you want to add. Dito meron tayong disk 2 and then i-click na natin yon and then click add. Then click yung next. Pwede nating palitan yung mga space na kakailanganan natin, pero I'll leave it as it is. Okay, and then click next. Then here you can assign the drive letter or path. Pwede mong i-edit to, pero I'll just leave it as it is. Next is the format volume. Pwede mo palitan yung volume label or technically yung magiging pangalan nung disk na yung RAID na yung disk na gagawin mo. Next one is magpo-pop up to and you can just click yes, and that's it for RAID 0. Now sa RAID 1, open server disk management, right click one of the volumes on the dynamic disk and select the add mirror. Next is mag-open tong window na to. Ititik lang natin yung dynamic disk and then click add mirror. After completing yun, you will see this following screen and makikita nyo na yung new volume na dalawa for this one, this 2. After nyo makita tong screen na to, that means that your RAID 1 has properly been configured. Next one is yung RAID 5. Right click lang natin yung unallocated space and then choose new RAID 5 volume. And then lalabas tong RAID 5 volume wizard. Click lang natin yung next pagka pop up na ito. And then ito, makikita natin yung mga available. And parang sa RAID 0, i-click lang natin yung add. Tapos yung drive letter or path ulit, click lang natin yung next kasi hindi ko na babaguhin to. And then sa format volume, parang kanina pwede mo palitan yung volume label and hindi ko na pinilitan dito, so click lang natin yung next. And then lastly, click natin yung finish kapag lumabas na to. Makikita nyo dyan yung parang summary, yung you selected the following settings. Okay, and then click finish. And that's it everyone. Thank you sa panonood. That's the OS B7 of Jade Sipis.